Just another Monday. Just kidding, it's Wednesday.
It's hump day.
It's hump day.
Well, hump day for you. It's almost end of the week for us.
This is true.
Yeah.
410s. It's a nice schedule. Okay, so Wednesday, hump day for most.
Yeah, for most.
Almost end of week for us. And we're going to pick up some supplies.
Yeah, we're gonna go pick up some wheels from our friends at American Stripping. Our boy Reed there takes care of us. So if all your Sacramento, Northern California folk, if you need a place to get your wheels, bumpers, sliders, anything metal, powder coated, that's where you want to go. American Stripping, off of 23rd Street in Sacramento.
Hey, that's 23rd Street.
Yeah, which is the side note. 23rd Street is a grassroots stomping grounds for drifting scene. I want to say for Northern California too.
Hey, right here. Yo.
Yeah, that's where I got my cherry pop.
I wonder who did that.
Yeah.
Hey! He popped it up.
He's having a good old time, man. on the Wednesday morning.
Yeah, and he gave us a good old little moment.
Yeah.
Hello.
What are you doing, Steve?
Good, Bill.
The reason for my call is, who do I pick up this transportation from?
Do you need the front differential? Get me another school extension.
All right, we are here at American Stripping, Sacramento, California, to pick up our set of wheels, new set of wheels for our Moscow Mule 400 build.
Nice.
Come with us. Should we do a little video on their shop real quick? Let's do. We'll do
Do a little walk around.
What's up, boss man?
What it is?
How you doing?
I don't know. They're following you around, man. They
Yeah, I know,
special
man.
on you or what?
Yeah.
So, what do I owe this filming to?
Oh, look, he's all camera shy. Reed, what's up? No, we're just starting a YouTube channel, so we're.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
nice.
we
Welcome
do-
to American Stripping.
Hey.
Yeah, we just filmed some of our shop flow, like projects that we have in the shop, and obviously these wheels are like a big deal for this.
Oh man,
So
those wheels turned out great.
Yeah,
too,
I'm
man.
so stoked.
Oh, they look really, really good. I can't wait to see them on the vehicle. To tell you the truth.
Nice.
So it's just one of those things where you're gonna, blur out my face and stuff. And
Only if you want to be blurred out.
And it's all about you.
no.
It is all about him, though.
Honestly, like the fact that it's recording doesn't mean we're gonna always. It's just footage where it gets chopped up. And,
No, I'm game, man. If I
Business
didn't know you were
related.
coming, I would have brought some donuts.
No. It's business related. So
He already passed on him this morning.
Yeah, good.
yeah. I just wanted to see if we can just get. We're obviously doing a shout out for your business.
Yeah.
Just get a couple of clips. Hey, these guys do sandblasting, powder coating, all here, Sacramento, California. If it's okay, it's obviously gonna be. behind
Yeah,
the
that's
scenes.
fine, but don't use sandblasting. We do much gentler blasting than sand.
What's the proper term?
Well, micro mineral blast.
Ooh,
Super
that sounds
fine
fancy.
mineral. So it's one specific natural mineral, breaks down, creates more cutting edges, and we're working at a grit strength approximately 200, 250 grit at low pressure.
Okay.
And then before that, on thin metal stuff where you can warp the hell out of it, we do a plastic media blast first.
Okay.
It generates no heat.
Okay.
So that's a pre-blast because we know we can keep it straight.
So that doesn't it doesn't deform or mess with the metal in any way.
Correct.
Okay, that makes
So,
sense.
what's the proper methodology or, I'm not sure. But super fine.
Yeah, it makes
Yeah,
sense.
Super fine.
Super fine. We'll put that super fine.
Super fine.
Joe Balin, he was a customer of ours until he, grew old and died.
Yeah.
God bless him. But he invented candy apple red paint.
Ooh.
Really?
Like actually
Yeah,
invented?
he was the guy out of LA that did the movie star stuff and did chops and he was the first guy that did candy apple paint.
Yeah.
And so he's the guy that termed our abrasive as super fine.
Super fine.
Super fine.
Okay.
Nice.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
cool.
no, they do a lot of the high-end hot rod stuff. A lot of Northern California. I would say maybe in West Coast brings their chassis here to just have like a slate, like a fresh canvas, right?
Yep, yep.
You guys blast everything, coat everything, and then it goes off to.
Yep. Now I got to redirect you. So I wanted to direct you a couple signs, that mean a lot in our business. So, first one, we guarantee fast service, no matter how long it takes. And then the other, a lack of planning on your part doesn't constitute an emergency on my part.
So give me an example. I know we have that situation happen at our shop all the time. So give me an example. What's the guy that has to read that sign? What does he usually say?
Well, there's a long story about those signs.
Yeah.
We do pretty much the opposite. I mean, we're a service, so we try to act like it. So,
Yeah, for sure. That's understandable.
got to do a quick walkthrough.
Yeah.
Quick walkthrough. So you want to catch that sign there because this is a true number. 6,282 and a half cars since we opened.
Gotta get that half.
The half. Did I not mention the half? There's a story behind the half too. There is. So this is a shop, fourth shop that we've set up, and my last. So we do plastic media blasting in that booth. So this happens to be an all matching 69 Camaro, big block car. So the first thing that we're going to do is blast this with plastic media, and that'll get all the paint, all the coatings off. It's quicker through undercoating, and it's quicker through Bondo, so we'll take all that stuff off.
So all this, the multiple layers, everything is gonna be gone.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it'll go down. Pretty much, we don't do a 100% thorough job in here because in big, broad, flat surfaces, yes, and areas that could warp, yes, and then we'll poke around. We'll get undercoating, Bondo, all that stuff off in here, the glue, all this.
You'll expose all the secrets. All the secrets.
Oh, you'll see it all. You'll see it all. So anyway, then like I say, we'll get this pre-blasted, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but it's got to be depainted where warpage could take place. And then the plastic doesn't touch rust, so we end up going over to a superfine mineral booth over there. All right, so after the plastic, it goes into the mineral booth. So I'll kind of open this door. You can see the dude in there working away. All right. Those are the parts to the Camaro. And then quick peek in here, looking on the Ranchero. Okay, moving right along. So this is where we apply the epoxy primer sealer.
So
this is pretty fresh, so it's wet right now.
So Reed told me that this stage particularly is better that you would get from factory. This is where the factory would kind of.
Yeah, so after blasting, you're going to have a nice light tooth or etch to the metal. It's going to be rust-free, so the mineral will get the worst rust out. And then we epoxy prime. I've used this product for probably 23, 24 years.
Okay.
And I won't stray from this because it's rock solid and we just don't have any comebacks. So
Okay.
This is the first lines of defense type product where it deactivates the bare metal surface from re-rusting.
So from there, the body guys come in and they do all the fills. They do all the perfection stuff.
Yeah. We just provide a good foundation for a $50,000 paint job.
Yeah.
Or whatever. So that's what's going on in here. And this is our powder coating side over here. So.
Wow, there's some fancy wheels there.
Yeah, there's this is a primer, again, an epoxy primer before we put on the top coat on these wheels. In there where it's all lit up, that's where we apply the powder. This is the oven. That's 20 feet long, 9 feet high, 8 feet wide.
How hot does it get?
You know what? We bake most things at like 435.
Oh wow,
And
that's
then
warm.
when we do sheet metal, we're epoxy powdering full car bodies. And when we have sheet metal, we have a cure schedule of 385. So we go a shorter time.
Longer
Lower
time?
temperature, longer
time,
cure
yeah,
time.
makes sense.
So this is a bare metal frame. It's already been baked out. So we bake out everything first in bare metal. So if there's any
Impurities.
grease or anything in the metal that's going to come out and ruin your powder coat job, it'll do it before you put the powder on. It gives us an opportunity to correct that situation.
So does it kind of like burn off the whatever the excess, all the impurities?
It does burn. You know, if there's any oils in there, it'll burn those out.
Okay.
So yeah.
Nice. Oh man.
Yeah. These
Wow, look at that color.
Yeah, and then you know what? There's metallic in those too. So once you put those outside, watch out.
All right, let's grab them. Let's take them outside.
Yep. Those things are going to look so good on that truck.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, that looks incredible.
How do these? Yeah, look at the twinkle in those.
Yeah, they're gonna play in the sun really well. This is like a 2-stage, so you guys hit it with a clear or no?
Yeah, there's a clear on this too.
Yeah.
And then we'll protect, and here's one of those plugs right there, but we put in these little plugs.
So this is the ring that's gonna go on top. So this is the look. Yeah, that looks really nice.
Yeah,
I like how it
too.
plays with the sun, especially like around all the
yeah.
grooves and everything.
Yeah.
Like it does. It has like a lot of definition to it.
And it's got just enough metallic. I mean, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see them on the truck, to tell you the truth. It's gonna be nice.
Looks good, right?
Now just pan up to that American stripping.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know.
Of course, we're
40
here.
years later.
Yeah.
I've been here since April Fool's Day, 1984. So.
Well, so I know you switched a couple of locations, but within
Oh,
the
yeah.
neighborhood, right?
Yeah. This is our 4th location, and one that we got to set up from scratch.
Okay.
So that was way cool.
Yeah. No.
And you set one up
Of
from
course, no, I
scratch.
remember. Yeah, you guys were around the corner from
Yeah,
here,
but
right?
I mean your shop. You got
Oh
to
yeah,
set
yeah.
one
No,
up from
moving.
scratch.
I know exactly
Well,
what it's like.
But it's fun setting a shop up. You know,
How you want
wasn't
it.
any fun dollar-wise, but it was
Yeah.
fun. Yeah, setting it up and utilizing the space correctly. So.
Yeah.
But
Nice.
right on.
Well, I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you for getting these knocked out.
Yeah. Don't forget to blur my face out.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. Thank you. Man, shoot.
Yeah, these are cool. We'll
Oh
get
man,
these.
I cannot wait to see these things on that truck.
Dude,
I
these-
really can't.
These look so good.
Didn't they turn out great?
Yeah.
I mean, they're perfect.
You know, here's the thing.